Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today's video is on this twists wig that y'all see I got in right now that looks so fly. Okay, it's super cute. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I install it over my starter locks, and I'm gonna show you guys how I style it and different styles that you can put it in. And yeah, so if you guys are interested, just stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like. I got little baby locks, they so cute. Anyway, I usually put on wigs when I have a fresh retwist because my hair doesn't lay as flat when it's not done. Like, you see how the wig cap is kind of puffy, but since my hair isn't done, I just wet it in the shower because it'll lay a little bit flatter. This is just me conditioning my hair and oiling my scalp real quick. Then I'm going to use this Ebin edge tamer to slick my edges back so it's out of the way of the free spray and everything else I'm going to use later. And then I'm going to just tie that down with a do-rag. I don't know if y'all know about my crazy do-rag collection, but I literally have them all hung up like, which one do I want to wear today? Anyway, the wig is from the brand Braids Queen, and this is how it looks. They are twists, not braids, and it's this ombre 30 color. And this is how the ends look. They are twisted all the way down to the ends. It is a frontal. These are the little baby hairs. It has an elastic band and of course adjustable straps in the back. It comes with wig caps, braid jewels, and an extra elastic band. And once my do-rag was on for a few minutes, I took it off and my hair was flat for the most part except for this one uncooperative lock. But anyway, now I'm just gonna do the usual bald cap method. I learned this trick from some other YouTuber that using the black got2b gets rid of like that white line of demarcation between the wig cap and your forehead, and this just makes it look more seamless. So now I'm going to put some powder on the wig cap to make it match my skin tone, and before you do that you want to make sure the glue is completely dry and not tacky at all because that will not mix well with the powder. Anyway, so at first I was using this powder and it just was not doing the job, so I used one a little darker to better match my skin. Here's how it looks compared to how it looked before. Big difference. You definitely want to make sure that it perfectly matches your skin. But anyway, when I put it on, I'm gonna not tighten the adjustable straps like I normally do for two reasons. One, the wig actually fits my head so well. Like, y'all, I have a little head, so wigs usually are too big on me, but this fits so good. But honestly, as it should though, because these are cornrows, and if the wig was too big, it would look way more like a wig. And two, I felt like tightening the adjustable straps would make the back look all bunched up, and with braids wigs especially, you just really want to make sure that it doesn't look like a wig. I almost forgot to put some of that same powder on the wig frontal part lace as well, so that was what you just saw me do. And y'all, to be honest, I felt like this lace was just a tad bit too dark and cool toned for me. Like, I would always rather my lace be a little bit light and I can add color to it, because if it's too dark, there's nothing I can do. And also, your scalp is naturally a little bit lighter than your face, but it's okay, I made it work. So to lay the wig, y'all, I'm about to put y'all on. This Wig Dealer melting spray is the truth. Like, it's so much better than lace glue, like no cap. I'm about to show y'all. And also, it doesn't leave like the white residue that lace glue leaves sometimes, but you literally just spray it and blow dry it. It's so easy, and the wig stayed on for about a week, which to be honest was enough for me, because I be itching to take wigs off after like 3 days. Like, I don't know how people leave wigs on for more than a week, but anyway, yeah, you just spray it, and it's okay if some of it gets like in the braids or whatever. That just helps, you know, keep it more secure.
T-Money, blah, blah, that hoe.
I followed that process 2 or 3 times, and then I tied it down for about a half hour, and then I came back, and y'all see, like, that joint was secure. Anyway, I cut the lace, and what you're about to see me do is use the edges brush to brush off any residue or like flakiness or whatever, like from the freeze spray or the glue or whatever. As you might see, the corners by my ears didn't stay laid, so I did end up having to use lace glue on those parts. This is from the same brand, and I just applied, I think, 2 layers of 3 small dots. You don't want to use too much, because as you'll see later, that white residue still happened. Anyway, I guess I forgot to wipe the top off last time I used this glue, so like the glue was like stuck in the bottle. It was like barely coming out, and when I squoze it out, like it literally went everywhere. Like the top popped off and everything, and it went all over my face, my body, my TV, my floor, everywhere. Like, oh my gosh. Anyway, after that, I applied another layer of that black Got2b to make sure the edges of the wig were seamless, kind of like the way I did with the wig cap. Well, not kinda, exactly like that. And now I'm using that ebin to lay my edges. I love that the edges come long so that you can style them how you want, but I did cut them shorter, and I did it piece by piece so they didn't look all choppy or whatever. And I also love how sparse the edges are. Like, they look so natural, they're not too full, and yeah. Y'all, sometimes I get dumb thirsty and I just body about a whole bottle of water. And as I was looking up at the ceiling, I seen that the lace glue had got all over the ceiling too, and I was like, yo, what, are you serious? Like, anyway, you see how you can see the lace glue, like it's like white? I don't like that. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. But anyway, I put some wrap lotion on them, like as if I had just got them freshly done. And then I put a do-rag back on while I did my makeup, and that's it. Hair laid. Also, I forgot to mention this, but the wig is super lightweight, like it's not heavy at all. Okay guys, so here's how it looks. Can you guys see how long it is? I have it in this half up, half down style right now, but I'm about to show you guys a few other ways that I would wear it. I'm about to try and not show y'all basic styles, but this is just a simple half up, half down, or you could put this part in a bun. Ooh, this is mad cute. You could do something with these, or you could leave it. But yeah, that's one. This is what it looks like when it's all pulled forward. This is what it looks like just half forward. And this is what it looks like when it's all back. And this is how long it is again, because it's out the ponytail. It's really long. I like how long it is. I would also wear it like this. I think this is super cute. I've honestly never had Fulani braids, so I always used to wonder like how people style braids that's like half cornrowed in the front. But I got y'all. I'm about to show y'all. See, this is long, y'all. This long. Okay. Sometimes I'm so specific that I'll sit here and count how many pieces of hair is in each braid so that it's like super symmetrical, because I think this one that I'm doing right now might be a little bit smaller, and if I was to go out in public like that, that would really bother me, so I really would count them. Alright, then so I have all this to the front, and then okay, you see how the braid is going like inward? It's really supposed to go outwards like this, but that has to do with the way that you start it, but it's not that deep. The style is two braids down the front. Also, I'm about to show you guys how it looks in the back, like so if I were to pull it all up into a ponytail, it would look very much so like a wig. Maybe you could do a loose one of some sort, something along this line, but like, I don't know. You could also do like a half and half, a half up, half down pigtail situation. Y'all, I don't know why the camera like keeps looking so orange, but this is another style. This is super cute. I would wear this. Well, I would wear all of these that I'm showing y'all. Alright, so now we got this little two buns thing going on. Super cute. What else? I don't really know, but everything the way I would wear it would be half up, half down, because like I said about pulling the whole thing up into a ponytail, but it looks cute down to, you know, you don't really gotta style it or whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hold up, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up because it's almost wet lace. Y'all see my highlight? Dang. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, just comment below. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.